Which of these are which of these are examples of inelastic collisions? 1. Scattering of alpha particles from nucleus. In alpha scattering experiment, we assume that these collisions are perfectly elastic. So, this is not an example of inelastic collisions. Collision of ideal gas molecules. In the derivation of ideal gas equation, we assume that the collisions between gas particles are perfectly elastic. So, this is not an example of inelastic collision. Collision of two balls lying on a frictionless table. So, two balls on a frictionless table. So, as there are no dissipative forces, this is also not an inelastic collision. Collision of a bullet with a wooden block. So, let this be a wooden block and this be bullet. So, as there are dissipative forces, this is an example of inelastic collision.